welcome to Afifa Cuisine. Today we are making a beautiful red velvet cake. Soft, moist, and perfectly creamy. And for this recipe we need 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1.5 cups sugar, 1/2 cup oil, 1/2 cup softened butter, 2 eggs, 1 cup buttermilk, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon vinegar, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon red food color, and a pinch of salt. First, beat the butter, oil and sugar until creamy. Add the eggs and vanilla. Then mix in the dry ingredients along with the buttermilk, vinegar and red color to form a smooth batter. Pour into a greased pan and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes until soft and fluffy. For frosting, whip 1 cup cream cheese, 1/2 cup butter, 2 cups powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon vanilla until silky. Then layer and cover the cake for a beautiful red and white finish. Your stunning bakery-style red velvet cake is ready to enjoy. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Afifa Cuisine.